Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Sellfy account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you activate maintenance mode in your Sellfy account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to activate maintenance mode on Sellfy anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses through Sellfy, sometimes you discover a big mistake with one of your courses, so you want to take it down before it causes any more problems. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Sellfy dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Sellfy account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to activate maintenance mode, here on the left side, you're going to click on store settings. Once you do that, you're going to be in the store settings here on the right. And to activate maintenance mode, just scroll all the way to the bottom. Once you do that, you want to look for this box, down for maintenance. So as you can see, you can go ahead and make your store inactive during content, product, design, or other updates. So go ahead and check this box. It's gray right now. So once you check it to green, now my store is under maintenance mode. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to activate maintenance mode on your Sellfy store, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.